Hey, if you want to check if your Beats Solo 4 headphones are fake or original, I can actually give you some information. So just watch this video. I'm gonna show you every part of my original headphones and also the box, so you'll be able to find some differences if your headphones are actually fake. So first of all, I'm gonna start with the right headphone. Right here we've got this logo of the Beats, but we cannot click this button. There's no way to do this. Right here we can find 4 number, the number of the headphones. When we unfold these, there's also some number right here. That's actually the serial number inside the right headphone. And now when we take a look at the top, there's nothing interesting here. When we open the left one, we cannot find here any numbers, but we can find the left ear Beats Solo 4 designed in Los Angeles, but on the right it's actually not available for some reason. Then when you take a look right here, there's also some small information. Just right here, Apple in made in China and the model of the device, and some marking right here on the right one. Now when we take a look on this right headphone, we can find the button. I mean, it's right here. So on this actually we can click like this. At the bottom we can find the LED light with the microphone, the headphone jack, the USB-C port, the button, and inside how it looks. So it actually feels pretty nice. It doesn't feel like cheap plastic, and the quality is really good. So this is it. Now we can move into the box. That's how it works from the front. And when you go inside, we can find this case with the user manual, and inside you will find 2 cables. There is the double USB-C cable and jack headphone cable. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.